Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Platform level going down. Going up.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear. You are the passenger doors. Those come train is about to depart into the strangest journey of your lives. You are traveling through another dimension. Imagine that it seems the deepest, darkest corners of your imagination that we're all starting train to the buffalo. This is going to be a long, non-stop trip. Get hired. The last time we ever had company was back in 1996. I have informed the manager that you will be there shortly. So when the train stops, please exit and proceed.
Going up. Platform level going down. Ground floor going down.